We've talked about the good of humanity in times of critical need. Earlier in the week, we ran a story about Anheuser-Busch on Labor Day. They realized the impact of Hurricane Irma and what it would have on the peninsula of Florida. So on Monday, they decided to stop production of beer at a facility, one of their production facilities up in Cartersville, Georgia. They started producing water up there. That water was then distributed across the state. In fact, a part of that batch went up to Fort Pierce. Well, it appears a local brewery, up in St. Lucie County right now has done the exact same thing. John Shaman went to this St. Lucie County business that brewed up a plan to help.
In this massive warehouse north of Fort Pierce,
each tank holds about 4,000 gallons worth of beer or product.
A place better known for its IPA.
Tell me what all this is.
So these are all our firm tanks. These do all our fermentation in beer normally.
Is readying to provide H2O.
These are just filled with regular water, and then this one over here is filled with cold water right now.
This is the Islamorada Beer Company. If it loses power, the beer usually in these tanks would go bad. So they thought of a way to help post-storm.
Water is going to be at a premium, and we want to be able to make sure that we're able to either maybe bottle some of it or even keg some of it and be able to distribute it to people that are in need.
The company was first based in the Keys, and they still have a microbrewery there.
The place is from the 50s, maybe even older, and I really don't think that the building is going to survive.
Their current facility is rated to survive a Cat 5.
There are already 20,000 gallons of water in these tankers, and that amount could double.
But it's a slow and steady procedure to get the water in. It took about a week to empty out all the product before the water could be added.
It takes about 4 hours a tank, maybe 5 hours.
And that would translate to about 200,000 bottles they could distribute that would quench the area's thirst post-storm. In St. Lucie County, John Shaman, WPTV, News Channel 5.